It's lift tour time! This time it's the Dole Queen Mary's Hospital. This is a 70s building that's been horribly refurbished and it's all clean and dull today. Oh dear. Anyway, now to the first lift, which is a 90s Pickering's. And it seems like Pickering's were trying to copy Schindler's 90s rather unusual MRL design, but they failed of doing so, as this lift's rather dull really. And now, moving on, this hospital was deserted when I visited, which is really nice, but it's a shame it's so dull and clean. It'd be so nice if it was grotty. Now to the next lift, which is a dull, horrible Jackson's, and it was installed in 2010. If I came here 3 years ago, I would have got a nice old lift. This is so boring.
Doors closing. Second floor. Doors opening.
Now to the next lifts, which are also stupid Jacksons.
Doors closing.
I'm starting to get bored. There better be an exciting lift to come or I'll be cross.
Fourth floor. Doors opening.
And the next lift is... Can you guess? Oh, would be nice. Or a Marriott Scott would be good. Or an Evans. And it is... a Jackson's! No!
Opening. Doors closing. Third floor. Going down. Doors opening.
And now, this hospital's so clean and dull. Look at it. But I managed to find the service corridor, which is really nice and grotty. That's made me feel better now. This means that my trip to this hospital was not wasted. This corridor is really nice and grotty, just how I like it. Let's explore. Oh, I like this corridor. Danger, high voltage. Sound horn? Okay, and beep! And that looks like a lift, but it's not. It's actually got a transformer behind it. And over here is a transformer. Sadly, it's a new one. It's not particularly old or interesting or anything. And now, in this service corridor, I found some original lifts. Yes! These are some 70s generic lifts.
It's a really nice 70s generic lift. It's an original lift that looks awesome.